Okay, so hello everyone and good afternoon. My name is Cesare and I am a senior Allievo in my 5th year. So I am starting the last year here at Collegio. So first of all, I would like to thank Professor Bach for his lecture and also Professors Garibaldi and Gambetta. And before going ahead, I would like to extend a warm welcome to every person present over here. And I'd like also to congratulate with the new Allievi for their admission. So to the new Allievi, probably in this moment, there must be lots of questions coming up to you, such as, what is this place like? How are the people? Will it be hard? And will I be willing to get what I'm looking for? And for all of this, I would like to say just one word, which is relax. Because I do remember that when I got into Collegio, I had all the same questions as well. But I got all the answers, at least up to now, positively, and I am sure that you will too. So first of all, being a part of the Allievi program will allow you to study deeply some of the subjects that you might like the most, such as economics and statistics. But of course, there is more. During these last 4 years, I've learned thousands of new things. I got to know better my interests, my ambitions, and I hopefully understood what I want to do in life as a future career. And by participating in the Allievi program, you can really have the chance to receive a high quality education, to stay in close contact with an excellent faculty, to attend a variety of seminars about a wide range of subjects so as to further develop your interests. And most importantly, you will enter a new community and you will meet new people and make new friends. And this is one aspect that has been fundamental for me to succeed in the program. I'm not actually saying that everything will be easy and smooth, because it won't be. You will have to work really hard. You will have to solve problem sets, study for exams right in the middle of the semesters. You will have to meet strict deadlines, and sometimes you won't even get a full understanding of the subject that you're studying. But that's perfectly fine. That's fine as long as you work together and you ask for help to your colleagues if needed, because you're all very brilliant people. You're academically outstanding people that come from different backgrounds and that can really help each other by providing different perspectives for the same thing. Anyway, you will see that with efforts and that with consistency, you can achieve anything you want. So my advice is really make the most of this opportunity, be enthusiastic and be participative. So to conclude, I really, truly wish you all the best of luck for the upcoming year and for your future. And also, should you have any questions, should you have any doubts, or should you have anything, please do not hesitate to reach out to me or to other senior Allievi, because we are here to help. So thank you very much for the attention and really welcome again.